All right, how often in life have you seen something advertised as completely free, but then you get in and you read the small, fine details and you find out there's a catch? Well, guess what? There always is. But I promise you this contest is about as close to completely free as humanly possible. So how we got here, back in the September, October time frame, Caig, the company that makes Deoxit and many other products, ran a video contest. And basically in this video contest, you made a submission showing using one of their products, doing some of what you do with electronics. And then they posted these videos online. People got to vote on them, and ultimately they picked winners from that. Well, I came in third place this year, and I won $250 worth of Caig products. Last year I came in second place, so hey, we're doing well here, and I'm looking forward to the 2019 contest. Anyways, this box showed up at my house back in October, and what I had told Caig was, hey, with my $250, just send me as much Deoxit D5 as you could possibly fit in the box for the amount that I won. And so they did, and what I ended up with was a bunch of cans of Deoxit D5. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to start a contest where I'm going to give away 10 cans of Deoxit D5 for absolutely free. I will pay the shipping. I will give you the Deoxit D5. No cost involved whatsoever from you. The only little catch is, one, you need to be a subscriber of mine. So if you're a loyal follower and subscriber already, great. If you're not a subscriber, you need to click the subscribe button down below, because if you're not a subscriber and you enter the contest and I pick your name, I will toss it out and go pick another name. All right, so how do you enter the contest? You got a couple ways. You must reply to this post down below, okay? And you can put one of a couple things. You can either say, hey, Blueglow Electronics, this is what I was really glad to see in 2018 and what you liked about it. Or you could say, hey, Blueglow Electronics, this is what I'm interested in seeing in 2019. Or if you're a new subscriber and just found our channel, maybe check out a couple of our videos and just give us a little bit of feedback down below on either what you like or don't like about them, or maybe what you would like to see us make more of in the future. Anyway, one post per person. If I scan and find your name multiple times down below, I will toss your entry out. So one entry per person. Reply below on Valentine's Day. All right, so I'm going to give everybody a little over a month to make your submission down below. Not everybody watches my videos every single day or every single week, so I thought I would let this run for about a month or so. But I'm going to give away 10 cans on Valentine's Day, and I will pay for the shipping to get them to your house absolutely free, just for being a loyal subscriber. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for supporting Caig and their products. I use the Deoxit D5 a lot in my restoration videos, and it's good stuff. So I thank them for making this stuff. I thank them for running the video contest, which enabled me to win this box, which ultimately is going to allow me to give some of this stuff away for free. So thanks for watching, everybody. Please vote down below.